Very nice welcome to the fashionable film city Banauli movie developers. A film city going to be developed by Mr. Jayaprakash Gupta with an amount of 20,000 crore to 50,000 crore rupees. If the above said amount is provided by Bihar government or Bharat government. And today's topic is about nitrogen group elements or elements of group 5A. So group 5A of periodic table contains nitrogen represented by N, phosphorus P, arsenic As, antimony Sb and bismuth Bi. They are P block elements. All have Ns superscript 2 Np superscript 3 electronic configuration in the outermost orbit. They are generally known as typical or normal elements. Some of the physical properties are discussed here. So let us start with nitrogen represented by N. Its atomic number is 7 and electronic configuration He 2s sup 2 2p sup 3. Its atomic radius is 0.75 angstrom. Its first IP ionization potential is 14.5 electron volt. Its electronic gravity is 3.0 and its density is 1.026. It has melting point minus 210 degrees Celsius and boiling point is minus 195.80 degrees Celsius. Next element is phosphorus represented by P. Atomic number is 15 and configuration Ne 3s sup 2 3p sup 3. Its atomic radius is 1.06 angstrom and first IP of phosphorus is 11.0 electron volt. Its electronic gravity is 2.1 and density of phosphorus is 1.91 to 2.32 and its melting point is 44.1 degrees Celsius, white phosphorus, and boiling point is 280 degrees Celsius. Next, arsenic represented by As. Its atomic number 33 and electronic configuration Ar 3d sup 10 4s sup 2 4p sup 3. Its atomic radius 1.19 angstrom and first IP of arsenic is 10.0 electron volt. Electronic gravity of arsenic As is 2.0 and its density is 4.7 to 5.7 and melting point is 817 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 610 degrees Celsius. Sublimes at this temperature. Next is Sp, antimony. Antimony represented by Sp and its atomic number is 51. Electronic configuration Kr 4d sup 10 5s sup 2 5p sup 3 and atomic radius of Sb is 1.38 angstrom. First IP of Sb antimony is 8.6 electron volt and electronic gravity is 1.8 and density is 6.68 and melting point is 630.5 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 1380 degrees Celsius. Next is bismuth represented by Bi. Its atomic number is 83 and electronic configuration Xc 4f sup 14 5d sup 10 6s sup 2 6p sup 3 and atomic radius is 1.46 angstrom. Its first IP is 8.0 electron volt. Electronic gravity is 1.7, density is 9.8 and melting point of bismuth is 271.3 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 1450 degrees Celsius. Thus we see that they have 5 valence electron because all the electrons take part in bond formation. Now we see the general properties of group 5A elements. Group 5A of the periodic table contains nitrogen N, phosphorus P, arsenic As, antimony Sb and bismuth Bi, while 5B contains vanadium, niobium, tantalum and protactinium. The elements of 5A shows a marked resemblance as well as a regular gradation in their properties. This justifies their inclusion in the same group of the periodic table. So now we see some similarity of these elements. First, electronic structure. These all have 5 electrons in the outermost shell, that is ns-2 and p-3 configuration. Out of these, 2 are in s orbital and 3 are in p orbitals. So nitrogen configuration 2, 5 or 2s-2 2p-3, and we have already seen this in the previous lecture. Previously we see its electronic configuration. So next property, the predominant valency of these elements is therefore 3 and 5. For example, Mg3 N2, Ca3 P2, Na3 As, Zn3 Sv2, Mg3 Bi2. Since the inner of the outermost electron in all these elements contains a stable arrangement of 2, 8 or 18 electrons, and they are thus all normal elements. Its occurrence, all except nitrogen do not occur in free state, and its property, allotropic property, all except bismuth exist in allotropic form. For example, nitrogen has 2 allotropic forms, alpha nitrogen and beta nitrogen. Phosphorus allotropic forms white, red, scarlet and black phosphorus, and arsenic allotropic form grey, yellow and black arsenic. Antimony allotropic form metallic, yellow and explosive forms. Atmosity, all are polyatomic. Next, oxidation state, also maximum oxidation state of +5 with respect to oxygen and minimum oxidation state of -3 with respect to hydrogen. Next, oxides, all forms 3 oxides like M2O3, M2O4 and M2O5, except nitrogen which forms 5 oxide, N2O, N2O3, N2O4 and N2O5. M represents metals, those elements, MM. Now, 7th property, hydrides, all combine with hydrogen atoms to form hydrides like MH3, which are covalent compound. M represents here elements, those elements. For example, NH3 ammonia, PH3 phosphine, ASH3 arsine. For example, NH3 ammonia, PH3 phosphine, ASH3 arsine, SVH3 stibine, BiH3 bismuthine. Next property is chlorides. All the elements combine with 3 chlorine atoms to form chloride like MCl3. Here M represents these elements, which are also covalent compounds. Nitrogen is unable to form pentahalides owing to the absence of d orbitals, but subsequent elements can do. Example, PCl sub 5, ASI sub 5, SbCl sub 5, etc. Next, organic compounds. All of these form trialkyl derivatives. N open braces C sub 2 S sub 5 close braces sub 3. Triethylamine P open braces C sub 2 S sub 5 close braces sub 3. Triethyl phosphine and Bi open braces C sub 2 S sub 5 close braces sub 3. Triethyl bismuthine. Next, gradation. First, metallic and electropositive character. It increases with increase of atomic weight and atomic number. Nitrogen and phosphorus are purely non-metals, and Sb and Bi, Sb, antimony, and Bi, bismuths are metals. Arsenic, S, may be called metalloid and stands between non-metals and metals. So here we see that nitrogen and phosphorus non-metals, As arsenic metalloids, and Sp and Bi metals. Like other non-metals, nitrogen forms very stable nitrides, phosphorus forms less stable phosphides, arsenic forms unstable arsenides, while antimony and bismuth forms alloys with other metals. Like other metals, Sb and Bi form cations, while nitrogen and phosphorus, N and P, behave like typical nonmetals in this respect. Next, density. It increases with increase of atomic weight from nitrogen to bismuth. For example, state nitrogen gas density 1.026, phosphorus solid and its density 1.91 to 2.32, As arsenic solid density 4.7 to 5.7, Sb solid density 6.68 to 6.68, and bismuth solid density 9.8. Next, boiling point. It increases with increase of atomic weight and atomic number from nitrogen to bismuth. Melting point. It increases with increase in atomic weight from nitrogen to phosphorus. Ionization energy. The ionization energy of nitrogen is very high, about 336 kilocalorie per mole. On moving downward in the group, the value gradually decreases from 253.9 to 148.9 kilocalorie per mole.